of the Air Service. Have you ever wondered how Uncle Sam's pilots keep such accurate formations? Handling these flying engines in flight formation calls for the highest type of skill. Perfect coordination of mind and muscle is required merely to fly, but the formation flyer has to do even more. He has to fly his own plane automatically while he keeps his mind on the one ahead. He sees what's going to happen before each movement starts. A moment's hesitation would be just too much. For advance information on what the next move will be, he watches the control surfaces of the commander's plane. In close formation, he even watches the hands of the pilot next to him. If all the planes in the formation could fly 5 miles apart, it would be safer. But close formation training is important. Formation maneuvering is necessary for defense. The group is able to protect itself when each plane covers another's blind spot. To offset the element of danger, the flyer relies upon alertness. It is this constant vigilance that makes formation flying possible.
Win a free Model RC airplane. Visit modelairplanesecrets.info and get 5 must-have tips for flying model airplanes safely and smartly, and enter for your chance to win a free model airplane. One is given away every month. Visit now and you could be enjoying the wonders of flight very soon at www.modelairplanesecrets.info.